All right, I got the turbo housing out. Actually, I don't know what the exact name of this is, but anyway, right here is where the turbo, the fins are. The intercooler gets connected here. Your best friend getting this out is PB Blaster or WD-40 and some patience. And I cleaned this up while it was still mounted onto the truck, but this is supposed to be shiny, like on real trucks that don't have the government screwing with it. And so is this. This is disgusting. It is caked on there. Like, it really is bad. That's not supposed to be black. You can see the other thing nobody mentioned in the other videos, Operation RV had a great video actually, is this clip. It's just a band clamp for holding back some wires, but he didn't mention this. So I was pulling it out and I'm like, something's still hooked up on here. I thought maybe there was a wire or something, you know, some sensors, but no, it was just that. So you should take this out, but put it back in when you're done. Anyway, that, my friends, is supposed to be clean in there. So that's going into the intercooler, which will cause a tremendous amount of damage, which is probably already done to the truck, to the engine rather, which really sucks. Really sucks, but that's the EPA for you. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up with some carburetor cleaner or brake parts cleaner and just get rid of all that. All right, so I got it out. There it is. Just make sure when you do this, you have sharp drill bits, and take your time, slow, steady speed with the bit, and keep it cool with some like 3-in-1. I was being lazy and I didn't go grab it from the basement, but as you can see, that one, it's not focusing. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this damn GoPro. But anyway, I'm just going to clean this up even more. God, that's disgusting. So that's cleaned up. I actually ended up using mineral spirits. So yeah, but that was going into the engine, which is not good. So anyway,